Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Fix and Send, where we fix things and we send things. Yeah, so on today's episode we have just picked up 2 outboards, both of them Evinrude 10 horsepower. They are 1962 I believe. So today we're going to try and get these paired running, both of them. First things first, we're going to have to take a look at make sure there's nothing missing off there. And already I can see that there's a lever missing off this. And this is your gear lever. It's not one, don't worry. A few things that I don't really know what they are. I mean, I'm not really a boat guy. I've done a little bit, but I've never really messed with outboards, but today's the day we're going to start. So let me just show you what we're looking at. This handle's snapped off. There's another handle here snapped off. I'm not really sure what this one does, but we can figure it out. There's a few cobwebs in here. Yeah, I'll take the lid off so you can have a look inside here. I mean, it's definitely quite old. You can see there's a lot of nasty stuff. I mean, it's not too bad though. Some bolts look nice, some don't look so nice. But I think we can get it running. Let's just feel if there's any compression. Let's drop this on here. Let's just see how it feels. Oh, it's slipping. It's slippy. It sounds like it's got a good bit of compression, that does. I mean, we're not going to pressure test it, we're just going to test it. The second one, I know that hasn't got any spark plugs in there, so that won't work, but we could get this one fired up and then switch over the spark plugs, put the spark plugs into the second one and see if we can get that one fired up as well. Yeah, so I think everything looks good on this one. I think we can put this in the barrel, get some fuel to it and see if it runs. Oh, not yet. Right there, give it 5 minutes. Let's just check these plugs again, let them dry off. And try again. As you can see, they're looking plenty wet enough. It does smell like old fuel in there though. I don't think we're going to get the ratchet on there very easy. No, so we'll get something else. In fact, we'll use the ring side. Crack it off. That's it. Yeah, it just smells like old fuel getting in there. So we'll give these a little bit of a clean off and then get them back in there. Put the fuel on, that's a start. Chokes on. Oh, look at that! We are going. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Can't see much. Try and get it into gear. Right, that's in gear. Seems to be working. Success. Right, on to the next one. Yeah, so now we know this one's all running, we can move on to this one. We can have a look at what's missing on here, because we can use this one as a donor for now. I mean, I'd like to get them both in the water at the same time, ideally. So that cover there is missing. So we can take it off this one for now, and we can make a new one for the near future. Once again, this handle's snapped off, and this one, I'm not even sure what that handle does. See, this has actually got forward, reverse, neutral. This one's actually got stuff on there, it tells you what it does. Actually choke. Lean, rich, that's for your high speed. This is for your slow speed. Missing a knob on there, but I don't think that really matters too much. So it looks like we've got to change the propeller over, because that's got no propeller, and this one has a propeller. And we've got to change that plate, and also the spark plugs. No, that this does not have any spark plugs. So we'll swap that over, and swap that over. Drop some. Just 1 second while I swap these over. See, this now has spark plugs, a cover for something, and a propeller. So we'll go test it in the water. Right, we now have the second outboard in the barrel. I've just got to switch over the fuel line, wherever that may be. Let's come over this side. Oh yeah, that hasn't even got an end on it, so that'll be easier. Right, we'll just see if we can get some fuel down to this. This hasn't got a fuel filter like the last one. The last one had a fuel filter on there, so we could see the fuel going through it. But this one, obviously it's still got a float bowl, and it's glass so you can see it. So we'll just fill it up until that fills up. And yeah, I'm spilling a little bit of juice. Oh, that float ball's full. Should we, I'll give it a bit more and then we'll give it a pull. Still doing somewhere. But that's definitely got some fuel in there. Should we give it a pull, give it a try? Right, now we know that's on start. And That's in gear. Right, in neutral. So it feels a bit tighter. Let's see. Get a few more. Oh, look at that. Let's just try that again. Oh, we got it, we got it. Let's just adjust that a bit then. Well, that's it guys, I think this one needs to be stripped down. Carburetor first, we'll check the air filter as well, and we'll yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully we can make it into the sea with it. Right guys, we've made it, we're here on the river, we've got the outboard, and hopefully it fires up again.
Bit of rev, bruv. Yeah, man! Turn around and come back up, innit? Start it back up then. Yeah, man. Yeah, brother. That caught you.
Put it in neutral then, but when you reversed it.
Bit more.
And that concludes that.
Yeah. Nice and calm.
It's a nice little river cruise. and if we can make it to the sea.
Easy.
And then where from?
All the way with yours.
And then where from the sea? That's the question.
Aye.
To the island.
To the island.
We'll find an island. Make it our own.